Hi, I'm Lloyd, and I've worked with a log home since I was a teenager, and in more recent years we have begun to build structures. We call them pavilions, which means a covering or a place where people can gather underneath. So pavilions are kind of on the rise because I believe people are realizing that it's important to be family, to have community at times. Even though they look like a basic, simple structure, they're actually quite complex. The reason we built this is that the church was looking for a gathering place in the summer. In 2013, we put a plan together and this came out of it. This has been our happy place in the summer. We thoroughly enjoy the grounds here where the people gather. We have several events in the summer when we have picnics and we have conferences and outdoor events and camp meetings. And we just really enjoy the beauty any time of the year, even in the off season. It adds to the landscape and it speaks of who we are as a people. We love to create with wood and with logs. And so it's kind of a specialty item and we love doing it.